I'm Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another hotel review. So if you've seen my previous video, you'll see that last week we were in Manchester and I was actually reviewing the King Street Townhouse. This week we are back in Manchester again, but we are staying at the Gotham Hotel. I have actually wanted to stay at this hotel for so long, so I can't even tell you how excited I am to see this one. This will be my first time staying here as well. So the last one had like a nice spa area, but this one has got some really nice quirky rooms and features that I'm going to be getting on camera for you. The last time we went to Manchester, it was really, really bad weather. So we actually had to come home early. We couldn't even walk around the city centre. But today, this week, we just felt really lucky and we seem to be having some sort of heat wave and it's like nearly 30 degrees. So yeah, it's going to be much better for us. So the next time I see you, we will be at the hotel and I will be showing you around. So we're just coming up to the hotel now. It's the big white building right in front of us. This is a 5-star hotel and it reopened in 2015 after being restored and transformed from the former bank that originally opened in 1935. This hotel's got 7 floors and 60 bedrooms. I've had a look at the pictures and even if you're just going to stay in a standard room, they still look amazing. Before I come to a hotel, I always have a look what restaurants and bars are inside. So this one has got a public restaurant called Honey, which has got some really good reviews. But there is also a private members club called Club Brass, and I can't wait to try that out. As far as I know, you can only go in Club Brass if you are staying in the hotel. So this is the main entrance here. But as we come in, I just want to show you this little area here. So this is where you come in to go to the lifts. It's almost like coming into a different world. If you look up on the ceiling here, there's all these umbrellas that have got lights hanging from them. So yeah, it's just a proper different touch. I've never seen that before. This hotel is a little bit upside down and the reception is actually on the 6th floor. So there's a note on the stairs there that says if you want to take the stairs up to the reception, there is over 1,000 steps. So I would definitely be taking the lift. I have no idea why my hand is so shaky in this video, so I apologise, but this is the reception area. Normally in a hotel, you get all the suites all on the top floor together, but in here, the suites are in the middle of the floor, so we're actually on the 3rd floor. So as you've just seen on the door, we are actually staying in the Sir Chorlton suite. So you've got the corridor coming down, and then it leads to this absolutely huge bed. This is the living area. Look here, it's actually projected, so we've got a projector up there above the bed that projects it onto this massive wall here. I love this room, it's just decorated so quirky, but if you've noticed, there isn't actually windows in this room, so it looks like there's a window, but it's not, it's the projector onto the screen. So you can just see from this angle a little bit better the sort of size of the room, and although it is really dark, it is decorated so nice. I found these switches on the wall and it sort of took me a bit of a while to find out what they're for, but if you take the front off and you press those, it actually opens up the screen and that's where your TV is. So I was actually looking for the TV for ages. When I opened this up, I was sort of just expecting to see the wardrobe, but everything is in here. So you've got the fridge at the top with your minibar and some chocolate. As you go down, you've got your kettle and your coffee machine and some cups in there and your safe at the bottom. I'm going to show you properly what those little round things are at the bottom of there. And if you come up at this side, you've got the snacks, you've got some nice glasses, and you've also got a bottle of red wine in there. The other side of the wardrobe is literally the wardrobe space, and you've got your iron and your ironing board and everything in there. If you have a look at these cups, everything has got Gotham on the inside of it, so yeah, I think they're really cute. There's lots of things in the hotel that you can take home with you, like this red wine, and there is a price list in the newspaper. And then at this side, we've got a nice big full-length mirror inside there. And we've also got an umbrella in the bottom. Could have done with that last week. I've never seen these in a hotel before, but you've got like 6 little tubes, and then each one of these is something different. So the first one is the Sleepworks one, that is for a better night's sleep. In there we have the pillow sprays, the eye masks and earplugs. The next one is the antibacterial protection. In there you've got like the face mask, some hand gel, some gloves, so that's more of like a protection one. So if you're under 18, you don't need to listen to this bit. This is the couples pack. So this is collection for lovers, and in there you've got like condoms, lube, vibrators and a little feather thing as well. And the next one is the recovery one. So if you've had a bit of a heavy night and you've got a bit of a hangover, this has got energy drinks in there, energy shots and like a hangover remedy. And the last one is the phone charger and travel adapter. So in there you've got the USB charger, you've got 3-in-1 lead, and it fits all the phones and devices. I think this was a really good idea. So if we just go down here, we've got the Gotham Bugle, and that's on the dressing table. That tells you everything you need to know about the hotel, all the prices and everything are all in there. There you go. If you open up the paper and have a look in the front, there's everything you need to know about what's around the hotel. If we just go into the drawer on the dressing table, there's a book in there that tells you a little bit more information about other hotels. And then we've got a swag bag, which I think is really cool. If you want to take anything, you can take it in that. So we're back up to the 6th floor now, and through there was where the restaurant is, but we are actually going to go to Club Brass. So we're just walking up these stairs now, as it is on the 7th floor.
That's great picture, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the entrance to the bar, so straight away as soon as you walk in, it looks really nice. I'm just going to have a bit of a walk around and I'm going to show you the different areas here, because there is 3 different areas to sit outside. So we're going to go through on to the first terrace. This is just the indoor bit. So the first terrace just up here is the smoking terrace, and it's quite big and it has actually got really good views. We've got quite a clear day today. It does look a little bit cloudy in the video. But if you go right to the edge, you have got some views right over Manchester. This is the second one, so this is the gin terrace. It is a little bit smaller than the other one, but it is still really lovely, and you can still see some really good views over here. As we were walking through to the next terrace, I just found a skull and had to film it, because I actually did forensic anthropology at uni. So we're just walking out to the final terrace. This is the 3rd one. It's really beautiful up here as well. There's loads of flowers out here. And I feel like there's equally good views from all of these 3. So we didn't have too much of a heavy one last night, so I didn't need the recovery pack, but I am going to show you the breakfast that we've got. So in this bag there, you've got the bread, and then we've got the full English breakfast. We got 2 of those, and orange juice and cups of tea. There we go, that's mine. The breakfast looks so nice and I'm ready for it, because I literally do not know what time it is in this room with there being no windows. We've just got back from Manchester and I absolutely loved the Gotham Hotel. It was literally one of the best hotels that I've stayed in Manchester. The room that we stayed in was a suite and it was £274 for the night. That was because it was midweek, so I'm guessing if you go on a weekend then it will be a little bit more expensive. So we had breakfast, what I just showed you, and we checked out and went into Manchester city centre. We've been lucky this weekend and we've had some amazing weather, so it's not been ruined like last time. We've been able to get out and have some lunch before we came home. I don't know if you noticed on those videos, but there is no real windows in that hotel. Well, especially in our room. I don't know about the rest of them. So it was really, really weird. It was all like on a projector that looked like a window. So yeah, all the way through that trip, especially when we were in the hotel, I literally did not know what time it was at all because it was so dark. Last night we did go out for a few drinks and for a meal, and I know when I come on here I'm always saying about we've been to Dishoom, and Dishoom is still one of my favourite places, but last night we went for a few drinks in the Lawn Club, which is in Spinning Fields, and then we went on to eat in San Carlos, so we just thought we'd have something different. We have been to San Carlos before and we've never had a bad meal there. It was absolutely beautiful again. So if you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.